So now we have all flooring complete. The cabinets are just about all hung. We're still tightening up some electrical issues and finishing up framing out all the windows. This bathroom will just need the mirror and the vanity light hung in that. This room is pretty much completed outside of framing that window. Same here, everything is just about completed. They're finishing up the windows in here. Gotta hang the light and mirror in that bathroom. Same here with just the window. We're just about complete. Alright, we'll stop it. Alright, that's it guys. Final update. The last things we'll have left is to finish up the front porch area, hang the columns. We'll need to finish trimming the windows out and add the shutters. We'll also be painting the front door red. Once we add the appliances, we'll be ready for the market. So stay tuned. I'll be posting the final video in the next week or so.